Hey guys, so today's vlog is going to be very exciting because it is moving day. Kind of. Jared and his best friend Corbin are coming tonight to pack up all of my stuff. They have a big enclosed trailer, so they're going to pack all my furniture, my bed, pretty much everything I have, and I'm moving this weekend. So they're coming tonight. We're gonna load as much as we can because there is like a big snowstorm coming. So that will make things interesting, but then tomorrow we're actually going to finish packing everything up, loading it, and head to Minnesota. So I'm really excited. I wanted to document all of this, so hopefully this vlog turns out okay. I also think I'm getting sick. If you can hear it in my voice, I feel like I'm very nasally and I've felt it coming on for a while. So hopefully it doesn't hit too bad, but yeah, I am moving this weekend. It's finally here. It's been a long time coming. I'm excited. I'm nervous. I have like all of the emotions just packing up. I've had probably like 4 or 5 breakdowns where I just started crying because like my whole life is changing. It's just a lot happening at once and I've gotten overwhelmed a couple times, but hopefully the crying's done. I am very excited and very happy to be moving closer to Jared, but I've been in this house since I was 3 years old, so I get kind of like sentimental that way. And like even my room now, like all my pictures are off the walls and it's getting pretty bare, so it's like kind of really starting to hit me like, whoa, this is real. So I have most of my stuff packed up. I still have a little bit of packing to do today that I wanted to get done before the boys got here, but they're not going to get here till later, so I have to do that today. My sister and my niece are actually on their way as well, and they're going to spend the day and spend the night. My sister is getting married in 2 weeks, so I have to do her hair and get that ready one more time before I move too. So that's what I'm going to do this morning, is pretty much do her hair and then hang out with Nora and get my stuff ready to go. So hopefully the snowstorm that's coming too is not too intense. It's like the worst timing. Like this whole week has been sunshine and like really nice. I mean, it's been cold, but at least it's sunshiny and no snow. And now the weekend that I'm gonna move, it's like Mother Nature's like, nope, we're just gonna hit you with a snowstorm. So I got lots to do today. Hopefully that doesn't interfere with our plans. I am doing laundry right now to do like my last load of clothes. I'm going to also wash my bedding, which is why my bed's not made. So I've got a lot to do today. Hopefully I can get it all done, and hopefully the storm doesn't interfere with anything. But I'm gonna bring you guys along on this exciting time, and I'm so excited. Are you gonna miss me, Sophie? Huh? You're gonna miss me, girl? Yeah. Some presents Annie got for you?
No.
No? Should I take them away?
No.
Do you want to open them?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go open presents. She just wants to unwrap them.
Nora, are you excited? Are you excited for presents?
You like that present paper, don't you?
What is it? It's a headband.
Oh, nice.
It's for your hair.
It goes on your head.
It's
So nice.
It's got to be in order.
We'll throw this away.
You do
Oh,
this.
Grandpa, can you throw this away?
I will do that. Thank you. You have more?
Oh, there's a lot in
There's
there.
More.
This one's for Annie.
From Annie?
From Annie.
That one's for Annie.
From the colors. This one's from Annie. What is it?
For Annie.
It's from Annie.
For what?
with love for Nora.
For Annie.
It's from Annie.
Whoa.
That one taped too hard? Sorry, I tried not to tape them that good. Do you know what this is? What? You can put things inside of it. Colored pencils.
You like it?
Uncle gave my,
Yeah.
Uncle gave my copy.
Are you gonna put your dollar in it? Oh, good job.
This is my favorite.
It's your favorite? Oh, good.
What color is it?
Is that,
This is purple.
it is purple.
Purple,
Is
yes.
that your favorite color?
Yeah. This one's
Oh,
A big one.
it looks like
It's a box.
it's a purse. Look at there's a handle.
Hmm?
And there your money goes in your purse.
And you can put your dollar in your purse.
Yeah.
You like
this
it?
is my favorite.
That's your favorite? I'm so glad you like it.
Yeah.
Your telephone.
It's makeup. It's some lip gloss.
Do you love makeup right now?
Yeah, Andrea.
And they're at home. I think this has little brushes on the end too you can use for this one.
Brushes.
Yeah.
This
Little lip brushes so you can put these on your lips.
on my lips.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like that on top
You
of
gonna
your
put some on
standard
me?
deduction last year, so they got rid of that. And they just
Okay,
upped
I want
the
this
standard
one.
deduction.
How much did
Yeah.
that go up?
It's a
What
brown.
was it last
No,
year?
that's
18?
dark.
Now it's 24.
Ooh, okay.
So it did go up that.
Okay, so things are coming along. I've got some more things packed up. My sister and I just moved my mattress out. We're going to move another mattress that my parents have up here because this is going to be their guest bedroom now. I am exhausted. The boys are on their way. The storm seems to be going really slow. It hopefully will maybe go south of us, which would be awesome. But yeah, I'm just gonna be packing up more until they come and then loading up. But right now I think I'm actually gonna go and load my car with stuff because I have a lot of stuff that can go in there too. So I'm gonna keep going.
That's my thick side. Hold into what thick?
Okay, so none of this is gonna fall? Or are you gonna
No.
fix the chair?
Maybe.
It's getting wet.
What's getting wet?
The box, it's dripping. Oh, no, it's not. I lied. And everything's secure.
Secure.
Are you sure?
Yep.
Oh, geez. I'm trusting you guys that none of my stuff is gonna break.
Nope. Well, Jared's trailer was capable of ratcheting anything down.
It's capable of ratcheting snowmobiles down.
All right, we're ready to go.
Ready?
Yep.
How does this thing work?
You ready
What
for
are you
me?
doing?
I'm coming home with you.
Taking you home.
Woohoo!
Woohoo.
Good morning, guys. I'm sorry I didn't vlog much yesterday. It was just kind of crazy with loading up the trailer in my car and then driving to Minnesota and unpacking everything here. So it is Monday, March 11th, and today I, of course, woke up sick. I'm sure you can hear it in my voice. I felt it coming on for a while, and I knew it was going to hit me like with the letdown of everything. So I woke up this morning with like really stuffy nose, really bad sore throat, just not feeling good. So I'm gonna try to just take it easy today and slowly unpack. My goal is to get like my clothes all unpacked and organized, and pretty much as I can without like tiring myself out too much, because my energy feels really low too being sick. But I didn't realize how much stuff I had until I had to move, especially clothes, but just like looking in the beauty room that we put everything in, like I have a lot of stuff. A lot of stuff. I'll show you like the mountain of things that I have to go through today. So that's my jewelry box and my Alex drawers that I wrapped up so they didn't get damaged in the move. I'll have to set those up and organize today, and then just some boxes there. And then this is the situation today. Like, it's just a sea of stuff. So this is my agenda today, getting through as much of this as I possibly can. And then also this situation. These are all my hanging clothes that I have to organize. They took up like the entire closet, so that'll be fun. Like I said, my clothes are like my priority today. I want to get all of that organized so I at least know where my clothes are, and then probably tackling like where my makeup is, because I don't even know what bag like my everyday makeup got put. So yay. I think once I get my clothes organized and like set up, I'll feel a lot better. Not like I'm just like crazy and don't know where anything is, even though I just really don't know where anything is. I've never had to move all of my stuff before. Like, I moved to Florida, but I just moved what I could pack in like 2 or 3 suitcases. I've never had to move like everything that I own, so this has been quite the experience. 0 out of 10 would recommend to do it in the winter time, but you gotta do what you gotta do. And I'm happy to be over here closer to Jared. I get to see him every day this week, which is pretty amazing. So I'm gonna get started on unpacking, and hopefully I can get a lot done today. I told you guys I had a lot of clothes. So update on the closet. All my clothes are up and hung. I tried to color coordinate the best I could, at least on this side. That side's kind of crazy. I put my designer handbags up there. I thought that was a nice little spot for them. So now I'm gonna go ahead and tackle the beauty room, I think, because there's so much stuff in here. I'm going to try to figure out a process and try to sort and organize and unpack all this, but it's literally like a maze trying to get through all of this. Wish me luck. This is what my little vanity area looks like right now. I'm trying to get used to having a smaller desk than I had at my parents' house, but I think I worked with it pretty well the way I organized it. I still will be tweaking it a little bit. I just wanted everything like in its place, and then I have some things to hang up like shelves and pictures and signs and stuff in this corner, but I'm just kind of leaving those for now. And yeah, you can actually walk in here, which is amazing. I put my armoire over there. That's like my makeup business stuff over there. It's my chair and my ring light. So yeah, I just have like a couple more boxes to go. I finally see the light at the end of the unpacking tunnel, and I'm really excited about it. I think I'm just going to end my moving vlog here because there's not really that much left to do. If you guys are interested in like a house tour, maybe eventually Jared and I will do that. It'll be quite a while because I'm sure it's gonna be like a couple months of just like organizing and moving things and kind of getting them where I want them. But yeah, I'm almost completely moved in. I'm really excited about it. I hope you guys enjoyed coming along on this moving journey with me. It's been quite the experience, but like I said before, I'm very happy to be over here and closer to Jared and be able to see him every day instead of like once every 2 weeks. So it's been a lot better. I've gotten to see him every day this week and it's been awesome. So I'm really excited about that and I can't wait to share more of this journey with you guys. I will be vlogging a lot more now that I'm over here as well. So keep an eye out for more vlogs in the future. And until next time, I will see you all in my next one. Bye guys.